Hey folks, welcome back to Green Iron TV. Today we're going to be getting the 715 all ready because we're going to load up and head to a military vehicle show here in Michigan. This is the Great Lakes Military Vehicle Association's annual show over in Clare, Michigan. And I've gone to that show for several years. I actually haven't taken a vehicle there in probably 5-6 years. But we're going to go ahead this year. Things line up. I'm going to have the time, so I am going to load up. And we're going to take the 715 over and put it on display. So that means we got to go ahead, get the truck ready, and get everything all packed up and get it all ready so that we can head over and display at the show. So that's what we're going to do today here on Green Iron TV. We're going to get the truck ready and everything all packed. So stay tuned. Thanks. So one of the first things we got to do is we got to pack up the 50 cal. So obviously don't want to transport the truck with the 50 cal out in the open. So we are going to get it off. I wrap it up in an old blanket here and keep it stored. And then that'll make it easy. Now of course this thing is a full metal replica and it is heavy. The gun itself weighs about 80 pounds. Then you add in the cradle and all that. So it is very, very heavy. And so we're going to take it apart and take it apart in pieces and get it taken down. And of course, since this is the propane gun, we do have the air lines to take care of. We're going to unplug it and then loosen our air lines. All right, next we're going to take the gun out of the cradle. And I have an old blanket here that I've used for years to wrap it up. So we're going to lay that out. Alright, we can wrap that up. And take our cradle out. Next, we'll remove some of the storage items that we have, backpacks and the radio over there. So we'll get these off. And of course we remove those because we just don't want them bouncing around on the truck and the trailer while we're transporting. But we also need to take a couple pieces out of the cab here. Just like with the 50 cal, our replica M16 here, we just don't want to transport with this out in the open. So we will remove that. And of course, one of the other major things is when we're trailering, I like to fold the windshield down on this vehicle just because this is a gigantic wind block and there's no sense having that wind beat against it. So we'll fold the windshield down and strap it. And of course, one of the last things we want to do is we're going to tuck our antenna down. And so I do that by doing a loop around the mirror bracket. And hooking her back. And that keeps it down nice and low. And that way any low branches or anything like that when this is up on the trailer won't catch the antenna. All right, now the fun piece. We'll load up all the display pieces we have. The mannequins, we got helmets, more mannequins. We got one hanging out here on the bike to get out of the way. Our display sign, sandbags, M60 machine gun, and of course then the radios and backpacks we already took off the vehicle. So the big thing is we need to get all that loaded up. And we're gonna wad it all here into the back of the old Ford Super Duty here and get it loaded up. Can't forget our fake sandbags. And lastly, our display sign. Lastly, an important piece, I always pack a small toolbox, various tools, some impacts that are the size for all the lug nuts on both the tow vehicle and the trailer, and of course an impact, and so a few odds and ends, wrenches, bolts, screwdrivers, enough stuff that I can do kind of a quick emergency repair alongside the road if by some chance I have some sort of breakdown. So it's always good to pack a little toolbox and an impact. And lastly, because we know it's going to be a hot, sunny day with very little shade over there, so a camp chair. And our easy up, so that we can have some portable shade. All right, that should have the majority of everything packed up. Of course, we're gonna hook up the trailer, and of course then we got to do things like check wheel bearings, check tire pressure, all the tires, check all the tire pressure in the tow vehicle, double check all our straps, make sure all our straps are good and ready, and then the morning of the show we'll go ahead and I'll load the vehicle on the trailer and we'll be heading out. So all right, folks, that'll wrap things up here on this episode of Green Iron TV. Everything's all packed up. We're all loaded up. Vehicle's ready. All I got to do is basically hook up the trailer and load the vehicle on it here in the morning before we leave. And we should be all set. So next thing coming up is going to be the Great Lakes Military Vehicle Association's annual show in Clare, Michigan. So we're looking forward to getting back to that show, and hope you'll tune in next week so you can see everything that went on there at the Clare show. So thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you later. And of course, like always, please give us a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you follow along for all our good Green Iron madness. So thanks a lot.